Hi guys, thanks for looking at my videos. I really appreciate your support. As we are now, we're over the canal again, looking for the drone still. For those of you who didn't watch my last video uploaded, I did an extensive search of this area to try and find a drone that I'd lost over a week ago. I lost it in this area, around here somewhere. I come over, I brought the last video showed me using a drone to search for this drone, and it saved me going all through all the bramble and then cutting myself up. I thought, well, if I use a drone to go over the top and scan the area and the trees, because there's trees either side, I might be able to see the drone, and that way then save me going all through the bushes, cutting myself up, and save a lot of time. Hopefully find it, come across it. It's been quite rainy and really windy the last few days. I got back and I decided I'm gonna have to get a grappling hook and have a look. So I'm back over today, having a look, seeing if I can find the drone. Once it's in the water, I mean, if it's in the water or if it's in the bushes, it don't matter where it is. I don't know whether any of you have lost a drone, but it's don't half play on your mind. What it was, just before I lost signal and lost it, there was a couple walking down the path when I saw them in the video. So I'm thinking, like, they could have had it, turned it off and be away with it. Like, I did have return to home on it, but it never did. I pressed it when I lost signal. But enjoy the video. It's an amazing video. Thanks for all your likes. Thanks for your subscribing. It's going to really support my channel, and I will upload videos again with different things. So always come back and have a look. Well, thanks for watching. Enjoy the video.
What if you find the couple, something, leave it.
Wow. Wow. I got that on camera too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a good
Show
throw.
the oil. Show the oil.
Oil?
Oil, man.
Ew.
That's on that, man.
That's oil.
Imagine if it was really precious.
Ew.
Dad, if you find like a mug or something, leave it.
That's
Like
disgusting.
keep it. And it might be worth knowing.
Mug?
Yeah, like a mug. An old-fashioned mug. It was loads, man.
Imagine.
I thought you was calling me a mug. Doing this.
Nah, you're your mug. That's a dream.
I'm joking.
Genius, eh?
Is it getting harder?
Yeah, there's something on it. I can feel it.
Dog. If you can get it. Oh, man. Is that oil?
Yeah, it's on it. Looks like oil, doesn't it?
It might be just wet dirt.
Not from the back.
Is it hard?
As if I saw it, man.
Maybe the bubbles are because of the bags of air.
Come on now, you just put it on.
I wonder why people put bags in here. Disgusting.
That's the drone!
I've got the drone!
That's the drone! Oh my look! That's the drone!
You got it, man.
I got it. I'll send it mom, okay? I'll send it mom.
How about that, guys? How about that? After 3 casts, that's all. 3 casts. And I got my drone back. Yeah, it's the DJI Air 3, the new one. It was so expensive. But I got it back. I'm so happy about that. Thanks though for watching. Please keep liking and subscribing. I'll keep uploading different content. So it's for everyone. But thanks anyway. Keep yourself safe. Take care.